Hello everyone, and welcome to my channel, Dianna's Homestead. Today you guys are here with me, Dianna. We are out here at my little greenhouse that I managed to salvage a little. It has blown away twice, but hey, it's doing its job. But we're out here at my greenhouse. I have a lemon that I have been growing since last spring, you guys. This is my first ever homegrown lemon. I'm here in Southern Virginia, which is zone 7B. So we have to have these in a greenhouse because it gets way too cold here for citrus. But right here is my improved Meyer lemon. And here it is. And she's ready to be harvested, you guys. And I want to share it with you all because I am super excited. Like I said, this is my first ever homegrown lemon. And I also have a Persian lime tree that's back over here. And a lime has fell off. So I'm going to go ahead and harvest the lime. But this is my little setup here. I have a Washington navel orange. And as you guys can see, it has got a little I guess you could say frostbite because one night my heat went out and I didn't know it. And then back here we have kumquats, little baby kumquats growing. You guys can see them. And I just got all these trees last spring. So if you guys are ready, let's go ahead and harvest this lemon with me. I am super excited. So here it is. Come zoom in here. Here it is. My only little lemon. And I was told that, look at it. Oh my gosh. I was told that these lemons will last about 3 months after they have ripened. They will last 3 months on the tree. So I wanted to make sure that this lemon was good and ready. So there it is. Let me go ahead and get this lime back here. If I can squeeze in. It fell off. It's a little baby one. There it is. All right. And I also have another lime back there growing. I don't know if you can see it, but it's right back up in there. It's a little baby lime. So I still have one lime growing. And I have some more lemon buds. You guys, look at the lemon buds. Yay! I am super excited. All right. So, come on. Let's go over here and try these lemons and limes. I got my plate already set up for y'all. And look. This is how we going to do this today. This is how we going to do this. You know what they say, dirt don't hurt because you're made out of dirt, right? I don't want to do no editing. All right, so let's do a taste test. Get down in here. I want you to see me cut this open. Oh, look at that. Oh my goodness. Check it out, you guys. Let me cut open this. Ooh, I can smell the citrus coming from it. Cut open this little lime. Oh! I forgot my salt. I like salt on my limes. But here, let me cut this and try a piece for you guys. Check it out. Let me turn it around this way. Oh my. Yes. I do like lemons and limes, you guys. Sometimes I would just get some salt, sprinkle on them, and eat them just like this. So this is delicious. It definitely tastes different than a store-bought lime, I would say. A lemon. All right, so let me try the lime. Maybe the frost could have got it and made it fall off. I don't know. But here's the lime. Oh yeah, for some reason limes are my favorite, you guys. Delicious. I am so happy that I was able to grow these and share this experience with you guys. Even though you don't live in a tropical climate, you can still grow them. You would just need some type of protection for them and heat. So next year, I believe I'm going to, well, fall of the year, I am going to repot them because those fabric pots are falling apart. They're deteriorating. So I wouldn't recommend doing that. You live and learn, right? So I'm going to transplant them probably spring of the year into a different pot. And then come fall, I'm going to bring them in the house because I can't risk my power going out and I don't know it and all my plants die on me. So, but yeah, thank you all so much for coming along with me today as I showed you guys my beautiful lemon and limes. So you guys stay tuned for more videos to come. And until next time, I will be seeing y'all. Bye.